Want to push your significant other's buttons in a funny way? Welcome to the Art of Ragebait questions, where no answer ends well. Try these questions first. If I had an identical twin, would you be attracted to them? If they say yes, they want your sibling. If they say no, they think you're ugly. Then try, if we broke up tomorrow, would you get back with your most recent ex? You can also try, would you still love me if I lost all my teeth? Or, if the house were on fire and your mom and I were both in it, who would you say first? Get even spicier by asking, if I were in your ex's body and they were in mine, who would you kiss? Or, if I swapped bodies with your celebrity crush, who would you choose? And finally, the classic, would you still love me if I were a worm? Just remember to keep it playful. If they're not laughing, know when to call it quits.